In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So first of all, just open Settings, then find and select Accounts, and now click on Add Account. Pick Google because we would like to add Google account. Obviously you need to be connected to Wi-Fi or network, any other network, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now, once you see this panel, you need to enter your phone number or email address, whatever is connected with your Google account. And click on Next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. And now you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service. Also, you can check the privacy policy. To do it, just mark particular document, and here you've got the details. And now tap on I agree. And click on More, accept a selection of Google services, and that's it. As you can see, from now on your Google account is added to this device that is connected with this CUBOT. Whenever you'd like to remove account from this device, just mark the particular account and select Remove Account. Confirm that you want to delete it with all its data by tapping on Remove Account, and that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.